Rockin' River has been around since 2012. We recently expanded it last year in 2016 to more than double its size. Now 1,600 can come and enjoy the park. Everything was renovated from the inside of the pools, but we did definitely expand. Splashville is one of our biggest attractions now. It can host around 500 guests. It has tipping buckets, slides, hose jets, downs jets. The tipping bucket has about 5,000 gallons of water that splashes down on everyone below. We have the lazy river behind me, Buckaroo Pond, the watering hole. It's going to be a swim-up bar area where you can enjoy concessions. The quarry is going to be our most adventurous attraction. It has a 12-foot platform, jumping platform, a water slide that goes down into, it's a 4-foot drop, but it's super quick. You know, you see the 2-year-olds, like those real little kids go do it, so you figure if they can do it, you can too.